What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Cipher stock. Cipher mining stock. So we could see clearly right here that Cipher stock has definitely been dropping for the longest. So I have to check for the logo. So yeah, you could see clearly right here that the Cipher mining stock right here has been down, but it isn't just down because there is every reason for it to be down. Yeah, I think based on what I can see right here, it's due to what is it called? Due to technical analysis, due to basic technical fundamental analysis. That is the reason, because obviously whatever goes up must surely come down, and you could see clearly right here that it has obviously been respecting this major uptrend for the longest. You could see whenever we rally, we are always finding support, and this trend line has been serving as a very good support for Cipher. So I think that there is a major possibility that we could still see Cipher dropping all the way, because obviously we had a fake out above $24. We weren't able to break out of $24 massively to $30, but we just had a week all the way to $30, got rejected from there, and right now we are on our way to probably to fall down to 17.93 $17.93, or we could still drop a little bit low to $17.17 while we rally much higher. So this could end up being a possibility. And another major scenario that could play out is majorly seeing it dropping all the way from there to this major trend line right here at $13.70. This would end up being a possibility for Cipher to still rally much higher. This could also be a possibility. Where I would say worst case scenario could end up playing out is if Cipher ends up breaking below this major trend line right here, especially given the fact that it breaks below this major support at $14.30 region. I would say that we are probably going to be dumping all the way down to $8 to probably $6.7, especially this major area right here, because you could see that we've tested this level. This was definitely the area or the price level or the support level that the buyers and the sellers were able to come together to agree that this is actually a very good this was a fair value or a fair price, currently at $11.74. So I think the moment we break below this level, that is where there will be a major issue for Cipher. And in terms of the headlines right here, we could see it clearly that where could I have found? So we could see it clearly right here that according to the headline, Cipher Mining Incorporation Q2 2026 earnings call summary, we could see clearly right here that management attributes current momentum to a flywheel effect, where successful lease signings and construction milestones are reinforcing tenants' confidence and capital market standing. The early delivery of data center capacity at Black Pearl 2 months ahead of schedule was cited as a critical proof point of operational depth and the ability to compress timeline on demand. Strategic focus remains heavily on Texas, which management views as the premier region for AI infrastructure, despite recent regulatory surprises and interconnection bottlenecks. The transition from Bitcoin mining to high-performance computing is accelerating, evidenced by the commissioning of mining at Black Pearl and early stage conversion talk for the Odessa site. Management emphasized their full value chain control from land and power origination to operations as the primary driver for meeting the speed and precision requirements of hyperscale tenant. The portfolio now total 5.3 gigawatts across 11 sites, with the vast majority representing future pipeline developments that provide long-term growth visibility beyond existing contract. So, I think this is just majorly you can, go through, these headlines and get whatever info you want to get. I am mostly on technical analysis, and based on my technical analysis right here, I think these are the major scenarios right here we should be expecting. But left to me, I'm expecting us to either find support around this level, or we find support around this major level right here as worst case scenario. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting right here. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.